Welcome to my channel. I'm doing a review of our 2023 Nissan Pathfinder SL. I got this brand new with 11 miles on the clock.
Okay, so let's look at the interior from this view. So we're a family of 5 and we've got a 1.5-year-old, so he's still in this. Rear facing, this is a combo stroller and car seat, car carrier all together. So it may be bigger than some, maybe the same size. It's probably the same size, but this works for us. We don't need a stroller in the back. So like I said earlier, this is captain's chairs. You have the armrest, which is perfect. You have the cup holders, cubby hole here. Rear passengers can control their heated seats and the temperature, and they also have some plugs to plug up with. More car seats, more cup holders, and the shade, which is very nice. For even though it's tinted, they still use this and I like this. So. Good materials, good touch. Everything feels really good quality to me. Let's take a look in the third row, which is, a lot of people you may be getting. So we have our 3-year-old in the back, and there's enough room for all 3 of them right now. And you could put another one in the back. You definitely can't put 3 in the back. 3 big car seats in the back, but you could put 2 in the back and you would be fine. They do have the vents, as I mentioned earlier, which is nice. They have a speaker back here as well. Both sides. Cup holders, 2 of them. That's how you get the seat up here or from here. Alright. And good thing to point for car seats, you do have the latch in here. And the back of this seat has a latch as well for the car seat. You do have the seat anchors here. I know some SUVs, they don't have this. This one in the rear does also have it as well. It's attached.
A note about the back seat. I'm about 5'9" and I can fit in the back just fine if needed. I would not say it's the best for long road trips to be in the third row as an adult, but for kids and teens, they'll be just fine. My wife and I can sit back here if needed for short trips with no issue. My wife is 5'2".
So a lot of room back here in the back. The trunk is deep. You want actually a little bit more room. It does have the cargo net, which we use. These split. So here's the anchors for the back of the seats. This one goes from the top. We do have the anchors on the bottom in the front for the base as well, on this side. This is the airbag vents. That's about it back here. Outside of this, showing you how much it could recline. So, I feel like that's a lot. From here to here, it's a lot that you can decline. So I'm doing this all with one hand so you can see. Pretty easy. Pull this to get it. Alright, so we've got puddle lights, fog lights, LED, daytime running light, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. It's all connected here. Wireless. This This works decently, not too bad. Drive functions, eco, sport, tow. We did tow the GTR. We did take this during the big snowstorm we had earlier this year, and it performed well in different weather. So not one complaint about how it drives, how it handles, stability wise. I'll turn it off.
Let's get into the specs. Our 2023 Nissan Pathfinder in the SL Trim with four-wheel drive and 3.5-liter V6 that gives you 284 horsepower and 259 pounds of torque to the crank. This is configured with the leather seats, captain's chairs in the second row, and 3 seats in the third row. My pros and likes are competitive pricing and value in the mid-size SUV segment. Lots of features, which I'll discuss further in a minute. Plenty of cup holders that hold larger drinking containers. It seats 7 passengers if needed. It has 6,000 pounds towing capacity. And yes, we did tow my GTR to DC and back with no issues. It's not as common on the road as a Pilot, Telluride, or Highlander. Our Pathfinder came with lighting packages that rival top trim and luxury vehicles. I wanted to point out some notable features and usefulness in the SL Trim. We actually rented a Pathfinder in the SV Trim, and we did not like it. The 360 parking camera is great. My wife loved it. The parking sensors never had me guessing. Where needed, the automatic high beams really are convenient while driving down any dark road. Navigation feature included on the SL and not on some lower trims. Heated first and second row seats. Vents in the third row is a must for families or people that move people in the third row. Door lighting is a great touch when entering and exiting the car. The panoramic roof is nice to have for the family in the back, especially at night. Cons or things Nissan could improve on. Increase top end by at least 5%. I would love to see the same motor in the Q50 in this vehicle. I would love to see an option for a motor to have over 340 horsepower and 300 pounds of torque. I would like to see adjustable suspension options as well. They need to improve wireless Bluetooth connection. It seemed to improve as there were updates to the software. Apple CarPlay had to be wired. Bigger brake calipers and rotors would be nice since the rear pads wear out fast with the brake assist feature on. I changed rear pads with 20,000 miles on the vehicle. It would be nice to be able to move third row seats forward or backward. You can tilt the seat forward or backward for a more comfortable seating position, but it would be nice to be able to slide the seat back for more legroom if needed, or slide it up for more cargo space. Increase Pro Pilot Assist capability. In 2025, Nissan should have more driving assists on all their SUVs vehicles like the Pathfinder. We rented a Kia Sorento, and it had far more capabilities for driving by itself than the Pathfinder. I know the 2025 Armada has a more advanced Pro Pilot Assist capability. If I'm being picky, this is one tech feature that I would want to have if I'm buying something brand new or over $45,000. I would recommend a used SL or Platinum Trim Pathfinder. We never had an issue with the transmission. It has all the features you would find in vehicles like a Pilot or Telluride that will cost $5,000 to $10,000 more. For my needs, I will consider the LX 570, Armada, and Sequoia. I don't mind getting a V8 because, for us, it's mainly a family hauler. We wouldn't drive it every day. I would welcome more passenger space, horsepower, and torque. Thanks for watching my review and thoughts of our 2023 Nissan Pathfinder SL. I'll start to review other cars in my garage as well, and maybe some friends' cars. So comment and subscribe if you liked what you saw or want to stick around and see what I do. Thanks.